Colloquial.
Unit 11. Cooking with Mom.
Shadowing.
Part 1.
Last Saturday, Lily went shopping with her mom. They went to the mart to buy food for dinner. Lily saw many colorful fruits and vegetables, and her mom let her choose some for their meal. After they got home, Lily helped her mom prepare the ingredients for dinner. She helped wash the vegetables and put them in a big pot. Then, her mom cooked the food on the stove while Lily watched.
Part 2.
While the food was cooking, Lily and her mom played a game of hide and seek in the living room. They giggled and had fun, and before they knew it, the food was ready. They sat down at the table and enjoyed a yummy dinner together. Lily was so happy that she had helped her mom cook, and she couldn't wait to do it again next time. As they cleaned up the dishes, Lily's mom told her how proud she was of her for being such a good helper. Lily felt proud too, and she knew that spending time with her mom was the best part of all.